what is my package name? Sorry, what is
ADN.
my procedure name? ADN. ADN is my what? Procedure name is ADN, right? AD5.ADN.
Mm-hmm.
Did we get the value?
Yes.
1000 divided by 2. How much?
2. 500.
Now, function. Function, when we are executing, I told you always what? Select statement, we can execute what? A function. Select package name dot function name from dual. Package name is what?
85.
85 dot, what is my function name?
F F3.
F3. Okay, space from DUAL dual. Now, for example, what happened? Wrong number calculated from 1 second. Some mistake happened. Wrong number type argument. 1 second, there is some mistake happened here. What mistake happened? Return F3 5. Did we wrote something wrong? Wrong number of the type argument in call to F3. What we have did here? What did we call wrong? Yes. Why does it showing like this? We have to specify the number, right? We didn't specify any number here. A into A. A into A means what? You have to put some value right in that. What do you want to do here? For example, I am putting a 6. 6 into 6, how much? 36, right?
Mm-hmm.
Package name dot function name, and then whatever value you define. If you put here like, for example, 9, then 81 will come.
Mm-hmm.
Package name dot, because we are at the top, what exactly we are given? The value. So nothing but globally we have assigned one value, but function can return its own value. He will not take care whatever you define in the global. He won't take care. But procedure will take care. But function
Right.
will only return one value. Function will not see whatever you put in the global. He won't care. But procedure will care. Are you getting understand now?
Yes.
Now, one more clause is there. One more clause that is called pragma serially reusable clause. One more example we'll see on that one. For example, if I want to create one more, for example, global variable. Okay, let's just see one more example. Let me move on. Okay, create, create or replace. Okay, create or replace package. Create or replace what here? Package. What is my package name? For example, any package name I am putting, for example, AM1. Okay, AM1 is the package name. For example, if I am putting here is Z. Okay, NUMBR. For any number I am putting the value. For example, I am putting one global value as, for example, double colon to 8. I am putting one global value. Okay, global value I'm putting here E and the end like this. Okay, E and the end like this. This global value I'm putting here, and then slash. What happened? Package got what here created. As soon as the package get created, DEGIN began. Now what exactly I'm trying to do here? Whatever is my package name, I have not put it any kind of procedure, nothing I have mentioned. I'm just creating one small package. In that package, I've just given a number. Here I'm not putting any procedure, function, nothing. Small package I've
Mm.
created. Just I've put in one value called 8. Okay. Now, how to execute that one? What is my package name? AM1 is my package name, right? Dot. The value, what exactly I've given here? Z, right?
83. Sorry.
Z. Z. Okay, Z double colon equal to 70. For example, if I'm giving here like this. Okay, now successfully got completed. Now when I want to execute that one, I had just assigned one value, this one 70, this one. Two values, first I have given here 8 value, number second I have given here value number called 70. Now when I want to display, now when I want to execute the program, what exactly it is giving me? Began DBMS, where is the DBMS? Now, whenever I want to execute this deviation output, what is my package name? AM1 dot, what is my normal value? Z, right? Z is the normal
जी
value. Now, if I want to execute the same here like this, then end slash. What is coming now? Last value
70
completely gone. Last whatever we defined, then we define one more value I've given here to Z, and then we try to execute the program here to the package. Last value, whatever I've given, completely gone. It is not showing me the last value.
right
What first I have given Z value as 8. Second time when I want to do it again, I have given the Z value as 70 again. And then when I want to execute the program, the value of 8 become what? Completely gone.
mm-hmm.
So there is one thing called CLE reusable pragma. When we use that one, your first value will remain same. Whenever you execute the program, you will get what? First output. How you will get the first output? See, actually should come 8, right? Then we
Mm-hmm.
put 70. Then we wanted to execute. What happened? 70 value is coming. 8 value we have given first. It's completely gone. But when you want to display the output, 70 is coming, not 8. Now I am using the clause name called pragma serially reusable clause. Pragma space serially reusable. This is a clause. Usable. This is a clause. When we try to use this clause, what will happen now? First value will come. Let's see the practical example. Okay. Create or replace. What is my package name? For example, I am creating my package name for FZ1, for example. Okay. FZ1 is my package name. I'm giving any number. For example, D or Z, for example, any number. I'm giving a Z number. Okay, double colon equal to 10. Same thing I'm putting at 8. Okay, but here I'm putting what? Pragma serially underscore reusable. Okay, pragma space serially underscore reusable clause. When I put this clause, even though I put this end and slash, whatever value I put, that first value will always get the output, not the second value. Whatever you insert after that one will not get executed. Now you see, I'm doing like this begin, and what is my exactly the value I've given f, like what is my package name? F
FZ1
Z1 dot, this that is the number I've given. Suppose if I given same like this for the last program, I've given 70, right? The same
mm-hmm.
value I give here now. And if I end the program, now what will happen now? 70 will come, right? Last time we got 70. Now I will try to execute the same program here. It will not get me 70. It will get me what? It will get me the value of 8. What is my this one? FZ1. Okay, package
Mm-hmm.
name dot the Z. When I want to execute this one, package name dot Z, now end slash.
yeah 8
This is what the main use of what is serially reusable clause. This is about the complete package. Any questions you are having in this complete package now?
that'll be good
Now we are looking at the topic name called collections. Okay, collections. Collections we have in PLSQL and also in Python. When I talk about PLSQL thing, we have different types of collection. Okay, number one, index by table. Okay, nothing but huge amount of data can be retrieved in very short time. Cursor will take more time to retrieve the data. Whereas when we use collection, huge amount of data, 10,000 records can be inserted in milliseconds. Okay, index by table, VArray using the collection. VArray, third bit is master table. Okay, fourth one is PLSQL records. Fifth one is ref cursor. example, what here? Rough cursor. This is what the type of collection which we will going to discuss tomorrow. Any questions you are having so far yet? What we
No,
discussed?
we good.
So till here we have discussed. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the collections in SQL and the collections in Python
Okay.
simultaneously. And then we'll go to the remaining topics. We have 2 or 3 chapters left. Okay, from here we have this. After the collection, we will go to the Python and then we'll complete the complete Python. And then we will go on to the tools, penetration testing tools practicals. Okay, any questions you are having so far yet? What we discussed?
No, we good.
Yes, yes, I have received your amount. I
Oh.
have like received your amount. Yes, very good.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Any other questions you are having? You are asking me
No,
something.
no, we good. We good.
Okay, fine. This is it about today's class. Now we'll continue again tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care. Allah Hafiz.